All right, now we're going to narrow down on those small moments that we have previously talked about, okay? So you guys should have done your graphic organizer already with your 6 different topics that you came up with, or your 6 different small moments, okay? And now we're going to pick one of those and we're going to take and divide it up into what we want to talk about. So if we go back to our small moments right here, okay, these are the small moments that the author came up with yesterday, okay? Now, there were 6 of them, but this author chose my summer vacation, okay? Now, with the summer vacation, that's the author's big topic, okay? So, the whole topic is about the author's summer vacation. All right, so she took a vacation and it was at the lake. Okay, so this is just a piece of her summer vacation that she's going to talk about, and that's why it's called a part of the topic. So if you see the whole topic, it's the whole watermelon. This is the whole topic, whole watermelon. Then you got a piece of the watermelon, and a piece of that summer vacation was visiting the lake. And the small moment that the author wants to talk about here is about the 4th of July at the lake. So, do you see how they all go together? Yes, it was the author's summer vacation at the lake, but we broke it down into let's talk about the 4th of July at the lake. Okay? So, it just narrows it down so you've got a specific topic you want to talk about. That way, you don't go all over the place with your story. Because their summer vacation, yes, she went to the lake, but she could have went to the snow cone shack or could have talked about visiting her grandparents or friends somewhere else on her summer vacation, okay? But it's narrowed down to the 4th of July, okay? So just one piece of her summer vacation, all right? So now, if we go to our next slide, you guys are going to pick the topic that you want to talk about, and you're going to write the big topic right here. Okay, so you double click in the box and you'll be able to type. Then you're going to narrow it down to a part of that topic that's important. And then you're going to narrow it down even further to that small moment in there that you're going to talk about. Okay, so think about the topic you want to most write about. And just like up here, we're going to narrow it down. Okay? And if you need help with that, just go ahead and write me a message in an email, or you can write it in Google Classroom, and hopefully I'll get to it in time to where I can answer your question before you get it answered. Okay? So, you get done with that. Then I've got a small moment sort here. We've already done this, okay? So, small moments, a trip to the lake could be a small moment, right? Boating at the lake could be a small moment. Going to the park is a small moment. Playing on the slides with my friends at the park. My summer vacation. My 4th of July pool party. My first snow day. When I visited Grandma. Baking banana muffins with Grandma. Building a snowman on a snow day. watching the sunrise at Grand Canyon. Okay, so which of those could we separate into a small moment? Okay, so a trip to the lake, that's pretty big because there's a lot of things that could happen when you go to the lake. This would be a small moment because it's broken down into you're at the lake, but you're going to talk about the boating. Okay, going to the park would be pretty big. Okay, not a small moment, that'd be a big moment. But if it's playing with on the slides with your friends at the park, it's broken down even more. Okay, same thing here when I visited grandma, that's a pretty big topic. But you can talk about baking banana muffins with grandma. It's broken down into just one small time. Okay, same thing here with my summer vacation. You could break it down into watching the sunrise at the Grand Canyon. Okay, my first snow day. That's a pretty big topic, but we could talk about building a snowman on that snow day. Okay, and then your 4th of July pool party could be a small moment on your summer vacation. Okay, so you see how they're kind of broken down into smaller pieces of those big topics. Okay, so that's what we want to try and do. And then this, we won't do anything with this yet. Okay, but be ready because next week we're going to start in with your small moment. Where were you? Who else was there? When did it happen? And what happened? Okay, and we're going to use this to organize our writing. Okay. Hope that made sense. And if you need to watch it again, go ahead and do so. And you guys have a great rest of the day.